Hello, and welcome to The Unveiled Truth, where we explore the mysteries of the universe and delve into the secrets of life. In this video, we will be discussing the evolution of life, from simple cells to complex organisms. The history of life on Earth is a fascinating tale of adaptation, survival, and change. Over billions of years, life has evolved from single-celled organisms to the vast array of complex life forms we see today. Join us as we take a journey through time to uncover the amazing story of life's evolution. The origin of life on Earth is a mystery that has puzzled scientists for centuries. However, recent research has shed new light on this subject. According to current theories, life may have originated from simple organic molecules that were present in the Earth's early atmosphere. These molecules may have combined to form more complex structures, eventually leading to the first living cells. The first life forms on Earth were simple prokaryotic cells, which appeared around 3.5 billion years ago. These cells lacked a nucleus and other complex structures, but they were able to carry out the basic processes of life, such as metabolism and replication. Around 2.1 billion years ago, a significant event occurred that changed the course of evolution: the emergence of eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells are more complex than prokaryotic cells, as they contain a nucleus and other organelles that perform specific functions within the cell. The evolution of eukaryotic cells was a significant development because it allowed for the development of multicellular organisms. The first multicellular organisms appeared around 1 billion years ago and were simple colonial organisms. The Cambrian explosion, which occurred around 541 million years ago, was a period of rapid evolution and diversification of life. During this time, the first complex animals appeared, including trilobites, brachiopods, and arthropods. The Cambrian explosion was a significant event in the history of life on Earth because it marked the beginning of the diversification of life. This period set the stage for the evolution of more complex life forms, including fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Around 500 million years ago, fish began to evolve from the early invertebrates that existed during the Cambrian explosion. The first fish were jawless and lacked the bony skeletons that modern fish have. Over time, fish evolved to have a more complex body structure, including a jaw, fins, and a bony skeleton. This allowed them to become more efficient swimmers and to explore different environments, such as freshwater and saltwater. Around 360 million years ago, the first amphibians appeared. These were the first animals to venture out of the water and onto land. Amphibians, such as frogs and salamanders, have a unique life cycle that involves an aquatic larval stage and a terrestrial adult stage. Around 315 million years ago, reptiles began to evolve from the early amphibians. Reptiles were well suited to the terrestrial environment and were able to thrive in a wide range of habitats. Reptiles, such as dinosaurs, ruled the Earth for millions of years. During this time, they evolved into a wide range of different forms, from small, fast predators to massive, long-necked herbivores. Around 150 million years ago, birds began to evolve from a group of small, feathered dinosaurs. Birds evolved many adaptations for flight, including lightweight bones and powerful wings. They also developed unique respiratory systems, which allowed them to extract more oxygen from the air and power their high-energy flight. Mammals evolved around the same time as birds, but they took a different evolutionary path. Mammals are characterized by their ability to nurse their young with milk, which is produced by specialized glands called mammary glands. They also have hair or fur, which helps to insulate their bodies and protect them from the environment. Mammals evolved many adaptations that allow them to thrive in a wide range of environments. Some mammals, such as whales, evolved to live in the water, while others, such as bats, developed the ability to fly. Still others, such as primates, evolved complex brains and social behaviors. The evolution of humans is a fascinating story that spans millions of years. Our ancestors evolved from small arboreal primates that lived in the trees of Africa around 6 to 7 million years ago. Over time, our ancestors evolved a range of adaptations that allowed them to thrive in a changing environment. They developed a more upright posture, which allowed them to walk on two legs and freed up their hands for other tasks. They'd also evolved a larger brain, which allowed them to develop complex social behaviors and to create and use tools. Around 2 million years ago, the first members of our genus Homo appeared. These early humans, such as Homo habilis and Homo erectus, had larger brains and more sophisticated tools than their ancestors. Around 300,000 years ago, Homo sapiens or modern humans appeared in Africa. Over time, humans migrated out of Africa and spread across the globe, adapting to new environments and developing unique cultures and technologies. The evolution of life on Earth is an ongoing process, and it is difficult to predict what the future holds. However, we do know that humans are having a significant impact on the planet and the other species that live here. Human activities, such as deforestation, pollution, and climate change, are causing many species to go extinct and are threatening the health of ecosystems around the globe. However, there is still time to take action and to protect the amazing diversity of life that exists on Earth. In conclusion, the evolution of life is a fascinating story that has been unfolding for billions of years. From simple cells to complex organisms, life has evolved in response to changing environments and challenges. As we look to the future, it is up to us to protect the amazing diversity of life that exists on Earth and to ensure that the story of evolution can continue for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of life on Earth. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to The Unveiled Truth for more exciting explorations of the mysteries of the universe.